Risotto is not just a recipe. It's part of Italy's national heritage, since Italy is the largest rice producer in Europe. Today, Mom will cook risotto with an exotic twist. She will use mango without making it taste unorthodox to an Italian palate. Keep watching and you will learn how to cook risotto like a boss. Get ready with the ingredients!
Ciao a tutti! Today I prepare risotto with mango, shrimp and coconut milk. I like this risotto because I jump in my timeline when I live in Brazil. I discovered that my friend to use mango not only for eating like fruit, but to use too for prepare salty dish. Then I decided to prepare one Italian dish with mango. Where is the perfect combination? Rice, mango and shrimp. Let's start play with the samba. Step number 1. I prepare the ingredients. I clean the carrot and I cut in big pieces. 1 onion. Then I cut in big pieces. Celery. Lemongrass. 1 piece of ginger. 1 piece of curcuma. And I need some skin of shrimp. All these ingredients need for prepare fumetto. I use for my risotto this small shrimp. You have to clean in very simple way. I have 2 big shrimp. This is why I use for decorating the dish. I don't clean, but just I cut and I need to take out this black part. Just left to prepare the last 2 ingredients, the leek and mango.
Choose a mango that is not too ripe. Cutting it can be a bit of a hassle because mangoes have a hard pit in the center. Watch carefully how Mom is cutting it. The key point is slicing it with the knife parallel to the less rounded sides of the fruit and leaving a flat piece from the center, about 1 centimeter thick. Most mango pits fit inside the shape. Then make several parallel cuts lengthwise and crosswise. Push the bottom of the slice up so the tiny cubes pop out. Then, with the help of a spoon, scoop the mango flesh on the plate. Don't scrape the skin too much. It has an astringent taste. Finally, slice the skin from the center slice containing the pit and shave off any remaining fruit. Nice and neat, isn't it?
Step number 2.
Let's prepare the fish stock with vegetables, the skin and the carapace of shrimps.
Lemongrass, ginger and curcuma is not Italian ingredients, but more I travel, more I discover good ingredients that I like to put in my Italian food.
Add salt. Let the fish stock boil while we continue preparing the rice.
Step number 3. I start with the rice. I put the rice in very hot pan. I don't use oil, only rice. I stir until the rice become brown. This is the good point. Don't burn the rice.
Light the burner again.
In the pan to put the extra virgin olive oil. These are my father olive oil, the special. and 1 piece of butter and leek. To stir, I add a little water because I want that leek become soft, but I don't want that it burn. I show you something. Maybe you look at the color, the beautiful color with water, a little yellow. This color comes from the curcuma. When the water go away, I add the mango. I don't add all mango because it's so much for the quantity that the rice. All liquid is absorbed. Then I put water. No, I put sake. You put white wine or just to start to add the fumetto. The secret for cooking very good risotto is to add the stock little by little. Never add stock if the first that you put in that become to absorb of rice. Again, I like to cook in this dish with the samba, and in the middle that I cooking, I to remember my Brazilian friend. Ciao Rosinha, e ciao for all my Brazilian friends. Kiss. You need salt? Just little. It's very close the cooking time, and is good moment to putting the shrimp. I first putting this that I don't clean because they need more time for cooking.
And now, put all the cleaned little shrimps.
Last ingredient, coconut milk.
Just to recap, remember these very important tips for risotto. Fish stock is added little by little, giving the rice time to absorb the water every time. And shrimps are only added when the rice is almost cooked.
And off the fire. I add some parsley. I cover with the white towel. Before to serve a risotto, you give it a little rest.
Finally, our risotto is ready. With this recipe, you'll learn the foundations of making risotto, which can help you prepare also the so popular mushroom risotto and seafood risotto.
And now step number 4, eating time. This is a samba for my mouth. What is the good fruit for you that become a pair with the shrimp? Let me know in comment below. And remember, every day is a sunny day in Toni's home. Chew with the samba. Ciao!
If you like this video, consider subscribing for more Italian recipes. See you in the next episodes of Toni's Home, where every day is a sunny day.